I think the best part from start to finish of working with Bath Masters is that it wasn't stressful. I did interview other companies before I selected Bath Masters, and Bath Masters was head and shoulders above those people that I talked to. Bath Masters does more than baths, as witnessed by what I have just finished. It was a huge project. Redid the entire bathroom. The kitchen, I got all new cabinets, all new floor. The living room, furnace room, painted everywhere. I have a new condo. The best thing I think, and probably what did surprise me the most, is that they employ all of the tradespeople. That is the most efficient way to remodel. And I loved they stood behind everything. Everything they told me was going to happen, happened. Didn't matter what it was, they were ready to take care of it. And that's really all I need to know about somebody, is that they have my back. And they had my back. My supervisor and the entire team, perfect. They were so accommodating, so professional. Everything was going so smoothly. I loved what I saw. I knew I made the right choice as soon as they started working. The follow-up was there, the communication was there. I spoke with the general manager, not just only the supervisor, not because there was a problem, but just because that's how they follow up. So I appreciated that. Everybody gets involved and everybody cares about your project. Bathmaster's showroom is perfect, and their design assistance is wonderful. There was a plethora of selections. I love that. I love design. Anything I wanted to look at, they were very accommodating. I recommend Bath Masters to anybody. I can't say anything but good things. They made it as stressless as it could possibly be. It's a very comfortable process. I think you should call them. That would be my recommendation.